Hello engineers, you are welcome to another episode of Staad Pro for beginners. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a steel section that has a tapered section. One side will be higher while the other side will be lower. When you go to the section database, in the section database, when you check your universal beam and everything, you will not have a tapered section, and there is no feature of having a tapered section over here. All right. So the only way you can do that is you have to define your own section. All right. And how do you do that? You can just go to tools, and then go to tools, and then you can create where is it? You can create your user table. All right. So in the last video, I created a particular one, which is this. Let me just delete that particular section. Then I can create a new table. So under this table, let's say I want to create a I section. All right, click on I section, then click on OK. All right, then click on add new property. Now I'll give it a name. It's better to give it the name of your section. Okay, so let me give it UB. I'm not sure. Let me give it 220 by 220 by 15. Okay, 220 by 220 by 15. No, well, let me give it by 20. Okay, so that should not be bad. Then TW, you can you just check the diagram. The diagram will help you on what TW is. TW is the thickness of this particular thickness you have there. Okay, so my TW will be 20. This is meter. You can actually change that while you are picking your default unit for length. You can put it in millimeter, so you can see what you have here is meter, and where you have this is torsion, the IX, this is your inertial, so the unit for this is m raised to power 4. This is area, the unit is m raised to power 2, which is meter raised to power 2 meter squared. Okay, so this one that is in meter, you should be very careful. Don't go and use a value that will give you a very unreasonable results. So my TW should be 20 mm. So 20 mm in meter, that should be 0.02, right? Then TFF, that's also is the same length, 0.02. And then my BFF, that is 220, that's 0.22. Okay, and then TFF1, this I'll also make that to be equal, so that should be 0.02. Then BFF1, that's the BFF1, that's the bottom. Okay, so I want the bottom to be equivalent to the top, so that should be 0.22 as well. Okay, then this is where you can now change your tapered dimension. Okay, so look at this. It says depth at start node. So the node that is the beginning, which is the start, what do you want the depth to be? So for this, I'll make this to be 0.22. Okay, then I will reduce the taper. I will not totally taper it, I will just reduce it. Let me see, this one is 0.11. Okay, so that the depth at the beginning will be 220 mm, while at the end that will be 110 mm. Okay, so I don't know this, I'll just leave it for now. So click on OK. Yes. All right, then you can save the table, and then you can close that. All right, so come to user table here, and then this is it, which is 20 times 20 whatever. Then just click on add, and then you can close that, so you have it over here. All right, so let's try to assign it to this particular buttons here. So let me put this in side view, then I select this, hold control, I select this, and then I can put it back in isometric view, and then let me assign to selected. Click on yes, so that has been assigned. Now let's see how it looks like. Let me click on this particular one. All right, and then let's see it in rendered view. All right, so open that. Now you can see how it looks like. Let me close this. Zoom in a bit. Yeah, So you can look at it in the front view. You can see like this. This is a tapered dimension. You can see this is higher at this edge, while this is lower. Okay, so this is how you can have that kind of tapered section. But Staad Pro does not have a feature for you to taper all kind of section. But as far as the eye section is concerned, which is this, you can taper that. So if you like this video, you can give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching.